Hello, adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
And somewhere out here with us is Wendy.
Yes.
And together we are McPeek Adventures. Danny, where are we today?
We are going to the heart of Route 66 Auto Museum in Sapulpa, Oklahoma.
Let's go adventuring! The heart of Route 66 Auto Museum is sure to make a big first impression as it greets you with the world's largest gas pump.
Okay, we got notes all over this thing.
Yeah, it says you can leave a note on the door.
Oh, that one.
Wow, look at this confetti. That's really neat.
Oh, these prints are awesome.
Once you step into the main showroom, you will quickly realize that you have made it to vintage car paradise.
Check out this beautiful, vintagey 1931 Oldsmobile Sport Cabriolet. I didn't know what this car was before I came in here, but now I do because they have a really awesome plaque that describes this car right in front of it.
What do you think of the color?
Love this color. It's actually one of my favorite colors. So.
And what do you think of the hood ornament?
Hood ornaments need to make a comeback, in my opinion.
This here is a 1931 Model A Ford. So it's getting close to being 100 years old. I like the smell in here. It smells like an old garage.
It does.
That's how you know there's going to be some good cars in here.
It has that oil and grease smell to it.
If you're a big fan of the classics, you are definitely going to want to take your time as you walk through here and just admire the beauty of these old cars. The lines, grills, just all of the details on these cars are things that you just don't see on the road today. 1955 Nomad. They even have this set up here like if you were going to go to the drive-in. Noticed a lot of the cars in here have the two-tone paint job. 1946 Lincoln convertible. Look at this. This thing is a boss. Oh, it even has the wheels covered back here. Speaking of long cars, the 1966 Lincoln Continental. You just own the entire lane if you're in one of these. I don't think this would even fit in our garage as long as it is.
I don't think so either. Oh man.
Like, look at the legroom on this.
It is a boat. Dang!
And speaking of boat, the seats in it kind of remind me of a boat too. It's got the old school, the ashtrays and the door handle or the armrest. Speedometer says it can go 120. If this thing's going 120, it's never gonna stop.
No.
1954 Mercury. And then you've got the 1970 Barracuda. 1922 Packard. They do have rides available for a price in this. I'm not sure if it's only selective days that it's able to take you on rides, but it is an option that they have. You may have to reach out to the museum for more details on it.
This place is awesome. If you're traveling Route 66, you need to come here. I feel like there's just more and more to see every place you turn. And here we go, into another room.
This is one of those amphibian cars.
1967 Amphicar. Front undersurface is slightly pointed and sharply cut away below. The wheels are set low, so the vehicle stands well above ground level when on dry land. Front and rear bumpers are placed low on the body panels, but fairly high in relation to dry ground. The one-piece windshield is curved, and the foldable top causes the body style to be classified as a cabriolet. Its water propulsion is provided by twin propellers mounted under the rear bumper. Interesting. It's for use in water. The same engine drove a pair of reversible propellers at the rear, with second gear level engaging forward or reverse drive.
I like their logo. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I think these are the same cars that you can ride in Disney Springs.
Yep, you can. You can rent. You can rent and have a ride around.
This hood ornament display is legit. Don't necessarily tell you what each of these is, so if you know what some of these are, drop it below in the comments because I'd like to know. I find hood ornaments to be very cool. This is a custom-built Maserati. 1959.
This here is the auto racing area, and this vehicle was the John Zink Special. The name Zink, if you're in the Tulsa area, is a pretty famous / well-known name if you are driving around, if you're looking up anything Tulsa related, because this man had, I didn't realize until reading all of this, he had a lot of influence in Tulsa. So he was an American engineer who received 35 patents for inventions in the field of combustion. He was also known for his achievements and contributions in business, auto racing, and charitable enterprises. Some special emotions come up when I see a race car like this because my grandfather also raced a race car similar to this, and he had a huge impact on my life. So just seeing it and being around the smells in here and just reading about the history of Mr. Zink and what he's done in the auto racing industry and here in Tulsa, it's pretty impressive.
I feel like that looks just like your grandpa's.
I know, like this one too, it has the same, like he had a bunch of fire suits, jackets, and like back in the day, they didn't have fire suits like they have nowadays that are all like one piece, zip up, like super safe to wear. But like they had these beautiful like two-piece quote fire suits, and it would have their names embroidered and it would just look really pretty. And yeah, I think Papa had several of these types of garments. In 1950, the world's first yield sign was posted at the corner of First Street and Columbia Avenue in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Oh boy. The original yield sign was keystone shaped and read "Yield right of way" in black letters on a bright background. So it looks like this guy right down here.
But that's definitely not the first one.
No. Because I'm guessing it's probably that right there. Wow, look at all
these. And if you can see the stack of them here for Oklahoma sticking out.
Look at these. They got money from other countries that they stuck in here. That's cool. These are, look at this, Australia. Oh, look how cute those are. Oh, look at this koala. Oh, that's so cute. Wow.
One person from Madagascar.
Wow, look at this place.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the heart of Route 66 Auto Museum.
If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday. And follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.